Hey paisanos, in today's video, we are going to be drinking the gay potion. And when I mean by we, I mean by me and a couple of buddies I grabbed off from the street.
Hi, how you doing?
It's gonna be epic, paisanos. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to get new content from the top Batman. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, paisanos. This is the gay potion, as you can see. And I am going to be drinking it. Bottoms up. Let me go! Help me!
How's it taste?
It tastes like cherries. Despite it being green, it tasted actually pretty good.
Oh,
Why
really?
does something green taste like cherries?
Wait,
Bro, it tastes like a throw up.
oh my stomach! Oh, where's the bathroom?
Come on, guys! We gotta go find him!
I'm ready to get my freak on.
Guys, we gotta go find him!
Help me! Help me!
We gotta go help him, guys!
Oh no!
We gotta go! We're gonna go! No! The freaking monster! Guys! We gotta go help him!
We gotta go help her!
Yeah, bro.
Or him, I don't know the gender.
Well, the problem is... It's a pretty
Oh,
good
man.
room.
It's a-
Not it! Give him back! Give him back! Give him back! No! 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 No!
And today's video will be seen as this to my brain rot at 3 a.m.
Yo.
Watch out for my body rolls, watch out for my body rolls. High kicks, this is how we do. Watch out for my body rolls, watch out for my body rolls. High kicks, this is how we do.
Hold on.
Wahoo! Hey paisanos! In today's video,
Three, 2, 1, begin.
Wahoo! Hey paisanos! Hey guys! Today we are going. I messed it up. Restart it.
In
Wait, right?
3, 2, 1, go. Come get him! Give him back! Give him back! I shit! I shit!
Paisanos went a mushroom. I think you went a mushroom. Oh, look at that.
Why does the grill
Oh.
Okay, jump through, fly around. And, okay, when we were like halfway out in the sea, listen, when we're halfway in the sea, it just said we're about to crash.
We're
Man,
about to crash, guys.
this view is so nice.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Ah!